Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a review on the Pretty Fresh foundation, and I got the color Light 60N. It is ideal for all skin types. It has a hyaluronic acid known to hydrate and support healthy looking skin, and it has coconut water known to support hydration and skin softness, which I absolutely need because I am a very dry skin type. So girl, yes, I need all of that. I do have the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer, and I do love this. So I was so excited to see that they were coming out with the foundation. So I'm ready. Let's dig into it. So ready for it, and let's see if Light 60N is a match for me. I'm pretty sure it is. They didn't, I had gone into the store to pick up my, what was I picking up? Do I need an excuse to go pick up something over there? No. I was picking up my birthday gift because it was already past, you know, it was the next month. My birthday's in June, so it was already July, and I was like, let me, you know, I was picking up something for my daughter's birthday or something. And of course, with everything going on in the world, it was just like in and out. So I was like, you know what? There's the Ulta right there. Let me go ahead and grab my birthday gift, because I believe you can only get it in store. I don't think you can order it. Not like Sephora. I don't think so. So yes, so you can't pick it up. You can't order it and, you know, get your birthday gift online. You have to go into the store. So anyways, long story short, so I decided, okay, let me go and pick it up, right? So let me go grab a brush. I'm gonna grab this Real Techniques brush, and I like to always put it, like, lay the color down first. And as you can see, I do have a lot of redness right now. I don't know, my skin is going through, it's going through issues, man. So yes, it does look like it's a really good match, and it is covering up that redness that I have on my skin. Okay, okay. Yeah, it's doing pretty good. Okay. So I had done one pump and I put it in the back of my hand to warm up the product. And excuse the background noise. I have kids, so they are currently downstairs watching the TV. So hashtag mom life. I know I say this all the time. Okay, so look, that's one side already done. And then this is the side without anything. And you can see I have this redness going on. So it did cover it. And I'm glad that it has the hyaluronic acid, because I'm already a very dry skin type. So, and just for reference, I did use the Jelly Pop Dewy Primer, because again, I'm dry and I love this. This is a dupe to the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer, and then I used a sample of the No Pore Problem Primer by Touch and Soul, and I do love it. I use the Touch and Soul mainly like on my nose, because okay, it looks really good. I'm liking it. Okay. Okay. I like it. It is dewy, right? but it's not like overly greasy or anything like that. And even with my redness, it did do a really good job of covering a lot of the redness that I had due to my skin flare up. And it is looking, it feels good. It doesn't feel like too tacky. So I'm gonna move on to my concealer. And this is again the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Concealer, and I am using it in Light 40N. Use the, what is this? Not Real Techniques. It's the e.l.f. I'm gonna use this new e.l.f. smaller sponge to really get more precise application of that concealer. And then I'm gonna go back with the big one to help blend out the bottom portion. Okay. Okay. And so it is applying really well. The formulation is very similar, I feel. It's very similar. So it's applying really, working really well with the foundation for me. Okay, yeah. It looks good. Oh, Crystal. I'm sorry if I keep doing the mirror. If I keep... Yeah, looks good. Okay, I'm liking it, I'm liking it. All right. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the rest of the makeup, and then I'll come back and let you know what I put. Okay, so I'm back. I finished finally doing the rest of my makeup, and also I just wanted to share with you what I'm wearing on my lips. I am wearing the Buxom Incognito lip liner / lipstick, and then I am wearing these new lashes. I will link everything down below what I'm wearing, but I love these new lashes that I got from Salon Perfect. They're the pre-perm push up in the number 671, and they're medium curl natural lift. I love it. Ooh, this matches my nail color. So yeah, I just wanted to let you know about that. I can't say enough good things about it. It feels great on the skin. It is not very matte. So if you are a person who is very oily, I don't think this would be for you, unless that you used, you know, mattifying primers and then maybe, you know, a lot of powder. But for me, for a person who has dry skin, this feels amazing. You can see from the beginning of the video, I had a lot of redness. It covered up the redness, so I would say that it's more of a medium coverage foundation. I did go in a little bit more, and I added on those places that I felt like I needed a little more, but it's amazing. I love it. It works really good with the concealer. So if you love the concealer, you already have this in your collection, you are going to love the foundation. I think that it is amazing together. So I just think I found my new little go-to summer foundation routine. I mentioned it before. I don't think I have, but this is $16, and I'm in love with it. Absolutely loving it. I'm glad that I purchased it. Thank you so much. I hope that you found this review helpful, and if you do, please consider subscribing to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Ring the notification bell for, you know, upcoming videos. As soon as videos comes out, as soon as the videos come out, you will be notified of the newest video that I put out. So again, thank you so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.
So I got in the shade 60N.